How to upload photos on Pinterest, quick and easy guide using computer. When you upload a photo to Pinterest, this is called a pin. Pins can be shared with others, added to boards, liked, and more. If you want to upload multiple photos, you can use an idea pin. Just be sure you have permission to use the photos you're uploading. This video will show you how to add, or pin, a photo to Pinterest using your computer. Number 1. Go to https://www.pinterest.com in a web browser. If you aren't already logged in, use your email address and password to do so now. Number 2. Click Create. You can find this at the top left corner, next to the search bar. A drop-down menu will open. Number 3. Click Create Pin. This is the second option. Number 4. Upload a photo. You can drag and drop an image from your computer into the left tile, or you can click it to browse for one. Make sure you have permission to use the photo before uploading. If you want to upload an image from another website, click Save from Site to enter a URL. Number 5. Add additional details. You can add a title, description, and/or destination website. Number 6. Select a board. Select a board to add your pin, or click Create Board to make a new one. Number 7. Click Save. This is the red button in the top right corner. Your photo will be uploaded. You can also use Pinterest to follow others and find other pins. Number 8. Create an idea pin, optional. Idea pins allow users to share up to 20 pages of videos, images, and text in one pin. Do the following. Click Create and click Create Idea Pin. Click Create New. Upload up to 20 images or videos. Add a title, details, links, and/or extra details. Click Publish. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.